Hello friends, for today's craft you're going to need half of an apple, washable paint and a paintbrush, a burlap banner, or you can cut brown paper bags into pennants and attach them to string, and you'll need a black permanent marker. So first you're going to cut the apple in half carefully. Then you're going to put some washable paint onto the apple, which turns it into a stamper. So I actually had to put a little bit more paint on my apple than I did on this first try. So kind of make your paint a little bit thick on your apple. Then press it onto your banner or your paper bag to make your apple print. When it dries, you can go back and draw a stem and some apple seeds on each one of your apples. And once you're finished, you have your beautiful fall apple banner that you can hang in your house. I hope you enjoyed it.